Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6 and we are on chapter 6 only and exercise 6. Okay, so last video you must have seen explanation basic part which was important, and now how to do it that we will see. Okay, so I have solved question number 1, but it won't come for the exam because fill in the blanks are not allowed for the exam. So just look at these solved ones. If you have any doubt you can ask also, but we are not going to do it. Question number 1. Okay, you can just see it for your concept clearance. So let's see question number 2. Now question number 2 is use a number line to write the following integers in ascending order, that is increasing order. The integers given are -5, 8, 0, -9, 4, -14 and 12. Now how to do it, let us see. This is the first question. You can see here. So the integers which were given in the questions, see all these integers which were given in the question, I have circled them here. You can see I have drawn the number line. You can see 0 is in the center, left side all negatives and negative integers, and right side all positive integers. So the integers which were given in the example, I have circled them. You can see here -14, -9, -5, 0, 4, 8, 12. So I have circled all the integers according to these integers. Okay, same in these all integers I have circled here. Okay, now you'll say how to arrange in increasing order. Increasing from means from smaller to greater. So ascending order or increasing order means from smaller to greater. So on number line we can say from left to right. Ascending order or increasing order on number line means you should start writing, or you should start seeing the numbers or the integers from left to right. Okay, so let us see ascending order. Ascending order -14, -9, -5, 0, 4, 8 and 12. Automatically you will get the answer. Why? Because I know the rule that ascending order or increasing order on number line means writing the numbers from left to right. Now here we are arranging it according to the given integers. That doesn't mean we have to write complete. What are asked I have circled, and then with this sequence I'll write them as it is. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Second one is homework. Okay, let us see the third question. The third question is use a number line to write the following integers in descending or decreasing order. Same thing you have to do here, same thing you have to do, children. What you will do is these integers, first draw a number line. Okay, so when you draw a number line, circle these integers on the number line. Draw a number line from 0. So now which is the positive integer? 12. So from 0 to 12 on the right side, and here which is the smallest one is -10. So from 0 to -10 you can draw, and circle all these integers on the number line. Okay. Then in case of descending order we have to arrange in right to left. In ascending order left to right you have to remember, and in descending order right to left will give you decreasing order. Decreasing order means greater number to smaller number. You know all the right side numbers are always greater and all the left side numbers are always smaller. Okay, this we had studied in the last video. So descending order on number line means right to left. So you can see here 12, then after 12 one more is you can see clearly 12, and then after 12 11, then 5, you can see here 5, then 3, then 0, then -1, then -4 and -10. Okay, so now we have got descending order right to left. So 12, you can see sequence 12 is greater than 11, is greater than 5, is greater than 3, is greater than 0, 0 is greater than minus 1 is greater than minus 4, and is greater than minus 10. Okay. So what you have understood, and second one is homework. What you have understood here, that to arrange in ascending order on number line, write numbers from left to right. Okay, first draw the number line, circle the given integers which are asked in the question. Then once you circle, automatically you get the sequence. See, just copy it here down. Okay, for ascending left to right and for descending right to left. Now, very important part, that is addition. Very important. Very. Why I am telling you, you will come to know. Not now, in other chapters. In maths, it is all connected. Whatever you are studying in one chapter, definitely you will study in the next chapter. Okay, next chapter or some other chapter. So everything is important in mathematics. You cannot skip anything. So question number 4, you can see add. Now 13 and 15. Now add 13 and 15. You can see here 13 and 15 both are positive integers. So both are positive integers, then add and apply positive sign. So 13, I have added them. Why plus? Because question is add. So 13 plus 15, 28. So if I apply plus sign, then also okay. If I don't apply, then also okay. So plus 28 and 28 is same. Okay. Now second one. Minus 13 and 15. So let us, these are from exercise. So I have written EX. Okay. Exercise questions. So minus 13 and 15. So minus 13 plus 15. Why 15? Why plus? Because my question is add. So minus 13 plus 15. Now in this case, what you should do? You will say this is completely new for you. I know little bit was there in 5th standard. But okay, I take it as new only. So see here, minus. Now in this, see the rule. Any one is negative. If any one integer is negative, then subtract and apply greater integers sign. Means what? If suppose you are adding two integers and in that one integer is negative, any one, whether this or this, that doesn't matter. If any one integer is negative, in this case it is this, just subtract two numbers. Subtract two numbers. Listen carefully once again. When you are adding two integers and one integer is negative, other is positive, or we say if any one integer is negative, subtract and assign the sign of greater integer. So now what I am going to do is minus 13 plus 15. So what I am going to do exactly, since 1 is negative, I will subtract. So 15 minus 13 is 2. Now what is the next step? Next step is then subtract. I have subtracted, I got 2, and apply greater integers sign. Now which is greater, 13 or 15? 15 is greater. What is 15 sign? Plus. So I will apply plus sign, or I can keep it 2 also. In case of plus, I am allowed to write without plus also. Are you understanding this? Now second case also same thing, 13 and minus 15. 13 and minus 15, I told you it is like this only. Here any one integer is minus. I have told you, if any one integer is minus, you have to subtract. So I have subtracted 13 minus 15, I got 2. But in this case I got minus here I got plus 2. Why? What is the second step? Second step is apply the sign of greater integer. Now in case of 13 and 15, which is greater number? 15 is greater. What is its sign? Minus. So I have applied minus sign. In this case, you can see 15 sign was plus. So here plus came. In this case, 15 sign is minus. So here minus came. Why? Because 15 is greater than 13. Here also 15 is greater than 13. Okay. Now these are the extra examples, children. Add 25 and 12. So I have added 25 plus 12. Now you know the rule. Any one integer is negative, subtract. So 25 minus 12 is 13. I have subtracted. Now check which sign I have to assign. Now 25 has plus sign, and now which sign I have to apply? Which sign I have to assign here? of greater integer. Now 25 is greater than 12. What is 25 sign? Plus. So I have kept it as it is. Same way here also you can see minus 100 plus 26. I told you any one sign is minus. So apply. So subtract. So 100 minus 26 is 74. Now which sign to apply? The greater integers. What is greater integer between 100 and 26? Minus. So put minus. Okay. So these are the this is homework, children. So you can see this. These are homework examples. Please solve them. So fourth one. Now here this is the type has changed. Till now we had seen that any one integer was negative. So we were subtracting and applying the sign of greater integer. Now here in this case the type has changed. Both the integers are minus. Both the integers are negative. Now here the rule will change. What is the rule now? When both the integers are negative, then add. The rule is when both the integers are negative, then add and apply minus sign. These two things are very important. Now here in this case, both this integer and this integer, both are negative. So what my rule says that add them. So plus is why? Because I am adding already now, but actually have to add because of the rule. So 13 plus 15, 28 and apply minus sign. And I have applied minus sign. So here I don't have to see which is greater, which is smaller. Okay. So I have directly, even if you say that here if we choose greater number, so greater number will have minus sign only. So you have to write at final minus only. Okay. So for your understanding, you can do that. That if we try to assign greater number sign, so greater number, any whether it is greater or smaller, minus sign will come only. So what you have to understand, when both the integers are negative, then add them and apply minus sign. This is totally opposite type of addition in integers. So see the extra one, minus 14 and minus 20. According to this rule, I have added them. So 14 plus 20, 34 and apply minus sign. And this is minus. So these are again homework. Examples for homework. Okay. So for today, this is enough. And I hope you will understand. And please, homework is also to read textbook. Okay. I'll put it in class-wise notes also. Homework also I'll put. And please practice. Okay, take care and please practice. Thank you so much.